Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is something we don't see every day. Free Pampers over at Walgreens. My God, this week just keeps giving and giving and giving. So 3 bags completely for free, easy deal. And we're going to look at it 2 different ways if you don't have a booster. First thing I want to talk about is you can get 2 5x7 prints using the code 2FREEPRINTS, exactly as pictured on screen. I would actually try and do this because it might generate a booster out of the Catalina machine for you if you get some free prints made. Sometimes it prints out for whatever reason when you're picking up your order. Do these free prints. Who doesn't love free prints? Okay, so right to the diaper deal. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, there is a $2 rebate on these Easy Up bags. And it's up to a 5-time limit. And there is no exclusions of the use of coupons with this rebate as well, if you look at the fine print. And I photographed the back end of it too, so we could look at it together. And double, triple check that you have the same rebates as I to do this deal. And I'm looking at the larger 4T, 5T bags that are of an 18 count, so that's why it's working. And if you look bottom below, stores available, Walgreens is the third listed in there, and I can do it a limit of up to 5 times. I'm grabbing 3 bags for this, so that's $6 back. Over on the Fetch Rewards account, 4,000 points back per bag. So that's really fantastic. And Fetch doesn't have exclusions with manufacturer coupons. And I did look at the fine print as well. It does exclude the larger boxes, but not the bags. So kind of interesting. Devil is in the details. Please pay attention to that. And the limit for this is up to 4 times if you look at the very bottom. So there you have it. And double, triple check that you have that. The easiest way is just to search and Fetch. Just write in Pampers and see what comes up. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, you have to do this one in store because there's a register reward. If you might have one of these, by all means go for it. I know a lot of us have the digital of 7 back when you spend 30. Please make sure you have it loaded for this deal. But to have both of these, it might be a tall order because a lot of us either get the paper ones or the digital ones. So whichever one you might have, and that paper one might print for you if you go pick up those free prints. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So again, we're in store. Sorry guys, I'm showing you this like a digital basket, but it's not a digital basket. You're doing this in store. You're going to grab 3 bags of the Pampers and definitely scan an Ibotta to make sure that the rebate is still there. And it is in fact attaching because you don't want any trouble. But grab 3 bags in the baby section. And Pampers is not the Huggies diapers of the spend $35, get back that $10 register rewards for those of you that are like, you got it all wrong. No, it's not part of it. Pampers is a different company. I'd have the following digital coupons. We have a $2 off of one of these bags. It's valid till the 30th. So hopefully you have that one loaded. Just type in Pampers and see the coupons that populate in the Walgreens app for you. And we also have a 3 off of 2. This one expires on Saturday. So definitely do this deal ASAP. So in store, this is pretty easy. 3 of those bags is $31.50. Subtracting $5 in digital coupons. Make sure you have a booster loaded by a digital, or get the cashier to scan it for you. With your debit card, you're going to pay $26.50. Get back that $7 of Walgreens cash for the booster. One $5 register reward. A $5 register reward is printing when you purchase 3, I believe. And then you're going to photograph your receipt. $6 back from Ibotta. 12,000 points back from Fetch. 4,000 times 3. That's how I'm getting the math. So it makes this free plus a $3.50 money maker, which is like 2018 couponing. You never see it like that. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster with this deal. Looking at this deal in another way, if you have no booster, so no 7 back when you spend 30, no 5 back when you spend 30, nothing. Let's grab 3 of these bags for $31.50. Subtracting $5 in digital coupons, it's $26.50. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $6.50. You're going to get back one $5 register reward for buying 3 of these at the register. You're also going to photograph your receipt to Ibotta for $6 back, and then $12,000 from Fetch. It makes it $3.50 for the 3 or $1.16 per bag, not factoring in that you're using $20 in Walgreens cash. I mean, you could pay that $26.50 if you want out of pocket. But it is okay to use Walgreens cash or any register reward store or manufacturer to get your out-of-pocket a lot less for this one, because I know $26.50 is a bit hefty. Before I take off into the big sunset, we have $2.12 Waters is 24-pack. We have free mascara. We have some Raid very cheap over at Walgreens. If any of that stuff interests you, I made a video yesterday. Check it out. I will link it right here. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.